Hey everyone, Jason here. In this little tutorial, I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a landing page in just a few minutes and be able to create the whole landing page to payoff to automation suite all within one little aspect. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into our website. So you just have to log into any of our websites here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to simply go up here and we're going to say new, and we're going to say new page. So this will take and load a new page here. And what we're going to do is we're going to first go in and we're going to title this. So this first one we're going to do is going to be for Parker. And what we're going to do is we're going to give it a title. We're going to go over here on the side and we're going to say no header, no footer, because we're creating a landing page. And we're going to go over here and we're going to now click on Page Builder. Okay, this gives us our blank canvas. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here under Templates and we're going to go under Real Estate Landing Pages. And we are going to grab a landing page. So what we have here is all the 40 series down here are all buyers and all the 50s are sellers. And then we have a few other ones built in there. But we're going to use, for this example here, 43. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to load it directly here into our editor. So from here, we're going to go in here and we are going to type in, we're going to change John Gray here. And we're just going to put the name in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put our headline in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a landing page here for Colorado homes in Parker for sale under $500,000. So what I've done is I've already typed out my headline that I want to use. So when I click into the box, I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to replace the content right from there. So Parker, Colorado homes for sale under $500,000. So I'm going to go in and actually change the style of this just so you can see how we have full control over here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to bold that. So we've got Parker, Colorado homes for sale under $500,000. And we're going to just modify the content in here just a little bit. So I have this. We've put together a list of current homes for sale in Parker, Colorado under $500,000. So we have the header, and then we have the subhead, and then here we have our access to details of this home. But this isn't a home, so I modified that just a tad. And this will now say full access to this list with full details and photos. All right, so what we did is we quickly modified this. Let's go in here and let's change up the landing page just a little bit. So we have all these extra features, but we don't want any of the features in here. So we're just going to click the X and delete all the extra features in here. Just takes a second to go in to delete all those aspects. And we want to actually customize this just a tad because obviously that house is not in Parker, Colorado. So we're going to click on the row, and right from the row we're going to go over here and we're going to remove the background image, and we're going to go into our photo gallery. And if we don't have a photo, we can just drag one over and drop it in there, but we'll just grab this photo for the sake of example right here. And we're going to click save. And we're going to go over here and click on the form. Now, watch this. This is how simple this is. What we're going to do is we're going to change this from an email address because what we want to do is add it to an automated autoresponder sequence. So I'm going to go to my Active Campaign account, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to activate my IMC account. And from here, it's now going to give me all of my lists that are already in here. So these are different campaigns that I currently use, but I want to use the home buyer leads. So now I built the home buyer leads, and down over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, and once this is submitted, I want this to go ahead and then redirect to the IDX broker link that I took a couple minutes to set up before I did this video. And that's how simple that is. So what I want to do is go back through this and show you some of the features that we did here. So we've created the active campaign account. It'll move it automatically to the list. Now, you won't have to do this once, but once this is actually done, you can link all of your landing pages this way. Now you're going to redirect it to this page, so they're going to go from the landing page to the payoff, the instant activity, and now they're automatically going to be receiving emails from you from going from your indoctrination directly into your digital engagement. So that's how simple that is. We're going to click done. We're going to click publish on that right there. And from which, now we're going to go ahead and just refresh the page. And from which, we're going to take a look. This is the landing page. All right, so let's take a look at this. So we're going to come in here. We're going to post this directly to our Facebook page or to our Twitter page. Here's our link up on top. But from here, what we have now, if I go in here and let's do a test. Check out this home. And we're going to be added directly to the automation, and boom, it automatically moves us directly into the list. 274 properties, 500 to 200,000, and it's displaying from the newest to the oldest listings here in Parker, Colorado. So you just generated a lead and you're giving your client exactly what they've asked for. And now they're in the full access of your site, so they can save the property. They can create new searches. They can modify the search, and they can schedule showing it if they're looking for anything. But most importantly, you've generated that lead and you're giving your client incredible, valuable information. I'm Jason, and that's how simple it is to create a landing page. Thanks for watching.